I found the letters under my mom's bed. My letters, the ones he sent me. She hid them all. My hands shook. My heart felt like it was breaking. How could she do this to me? I was so angry. I ran to the kitchen. "You hid my letters," I screamed at my mom. She turned around. Her face was red.
That man is too old for you. You are 16. He is 27.
"I love him," I shouted back. My voice was shaking.
You don't know what love is,
She said. Her words hurt me. They hurt so much. We yelled and yelled. My dad came. He looked tired and sad.
Enough.
He said.
We need to go. The bus leaves at 10.
He said to my mom. My parents were going to the city. A relative invited them to a party. They started getting ready. I went to my room. I was crying. My chest felt tight. I felt so alone. Nobody understood me. Nobody loved me. But then I had an idea. A dangerous idea. I was going to run away. My heart started beating faster. Yes, I would do it. My parents would take the 10 o'clock bus. I would take the 11:30 bus. I would go to my boyfriend. He would save me. I would live with him. I would never come back. I started packing my bag. My hands were shaking, but I felt excited. Soon I would be free. Soon I would be happy. My mom knocked on my door.
We're leaving now,
She said. Her voice was soft now, but I was still angry. I didn't answer. I heard the door close. They were gone. I waited for an hour. My heart was racing. Then I grabbed my bag and ran to the bus station. But when I got there, I saw something terrible. My parents, they were still at the station. My whole body went cold. No, this couldn't happen. I hid behind a wall. They missed the bus. They were late. My plan was ruined. Now I had to wait. I couldn't get on the bus with them. They would see me. I had to wait for the next bus. I felt so frustrated, so angry. Why did everything go wrong? I went to a small park near the station. I sat on a bench. I waited. I closed my eyes. I imagined my boyfriend's face. I imagined him opening the door. I imagined his smile, his arms around me. "You're safe now," he would say. 1 hour passed. 1 hour and a half. I stood up. It was time to go to the station. Then I saw him. A man. He stepped in front of me. He had a knife in his hand. Fear shot through my body. I couldn't move. I couldn't breathe.
Give me your bag,
He said. My voice was gone. I was so scared.
now.
He yelled. I gave him my bag. My hands were shaking so much. He took my money too. Then he ran away. I sat down. I was shaking. My whole body was shaking. All my money was gone. How would I get to the city now? I felt like crying, but I didn't give up. I was stubborn. I had to get to him. He was waiting for me. I walked back to the station. My legs felt weak, but I kept walking. I looked at the bus. I saw the container under the bus, the place where they put luggage. My heart was pounding. Could I really do this? I had to. I had no choice. I waited. The worker was busy. He wasn't looking. I climbed inside the container. I hid behind the bags and suitcases. It was dark and it smelled bad, but I didn't care. Soon I would be with him. The door closed. Everything went dark. The bus started moving. It was so uncomfortable. The bus went up and down. My body hurt, but I tried to think about him, about his smile, about being safe in his arms. 15 minutes passed, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Then I felt it. I couldn't breathe well. There wasn't enough air. My chest hurt. I tried to breathe, but it was so hard. Panic filled my body. Was I going to die here? In the dark? Alone? I started crying. Hot tears ran down my face. This was all my parents' fault. If they loved me, this wouldn't happen. If they understood me, I wouldn't be here. Time moved so slowly. My head felt strange. Everything felt strange. I felt dizzy and sick. Then the bus stopped. The container door opened. Air came in. Beautiful, cold air. I breathed and breathed. I felt alive again. People started taking their bags. I stayed hidden. My heart was racing. But I had to get out. I had to run. I jumped out and ran as fast as I could. People screamed. They were scared. But I just ran and ran and ran. Finally, I stopped. I couldn't see the station anymore. Nobody followed me. I sat on a bench. My legs hurt so much. My mouth was so dry. My whole body was tired, but I felt a little happy. I made it. I was in the city. Soon I would see him. Now I had to find my boyfriend. I knew where he lived. I started walking. The sun was going down. I walked for a long time. My feet hurt, but I didn't care. I kept thinking about him, about his face when he would see me. He would be so happy. Finally, I found his house. It was almost night. My heart was beating so fast. This was it. This was the moment I dreamed about. I knocked on the door. He opened it. He looked at me. His face changed. He didn't smile. He looked angry.
What are you doing here?
He said. My heart sank. This wasn't right. This wasn't how it was supposed to be. I thought he would be happy. I thought he would save me. I came to see you, I said. My voice was shaking. He grabbed my hand. He pulled me to the corner. His grip hurt.
You need to leave.
He said. But tears filled my eyes.
Shh.
He put his finger on his lips. Then I heard a voice from inside the house.
Babe, who is it?
A woman's voice. My heart broke into a million pieces. No, this couldn't be real. Who is she? I asked. My voice was so small.
That's none of your business. Leave, now! Don't come to my house again.
But my mom hid your letters for 2 months. That's why I didn't write back. I was crying now. Everything hurt. Then a little girl came to the door. She was maybe 5 years old.
Daddy, dinner is ready.
She said. The word daddy stabbed through my heart. I couldn't breathe. The world was spinning. He pushed me away. All my dreams broke. He was supposed to save me. He was supposed to love me. But he didn't. He never did. He turned to go back inside. Wait, I said. I was crying so hard. Please, give me money. I have nothing. Please. He looked at me with cold eyes. Eyes that didn't care. Eyes that never loved me.
I'm not a charity.
He said. He took his daughter's hand. He went inside. He closed the door. The sound of that door closing was the worst sound I ever heard. I was alone, in a strange city, at night, with no money, no food, no one. I felt so stupid, so lost, so broken. I was terrified. I started walking. I didn't know where to go. It was so cold. I wrapped my arms around myself. My shoes were torn. My feet were bleeding. But I didn't care. I didn't care about anything. I walked for hours. My body hurt everywhere. My heart hurt more. Finally, I sat on a bench near a dark alley. I put my head in my hands. I cried. I cried so hard my body shook. What did I do? What did I do? Then I heard footsteps. I looked up. A woman was walking toward me. She had messy hair. Her clothes were torn. Her eyes looked so tired and sad. I was scared. She sat next to me on the bench.
You ran away, didn't you?
She said softly. Her voice was kind. I didn't answer. Tears were still running down my face.
I did too.
She said.
Many years ago, I ran away from my parents. I thought I knew everything. I thought they didn't understand me.
She looked at me. Her eyes were full of pain.
But I was wrong. I ruined my life. I lost everything. My family, my future, everything. And now look at me.
Her voice broke. I could hear her sadness, her regret. She reached into her pocket. She pulled out some money.
Go home
She said.
before it's too late, before you become like me. Your parents love you. I know they do. I wish I could go back, but I can't.
She put the money in my hand. Her hand was cold and rough.
Go home.
She said again. Then she stood up and walked away into the dark. I looked at the money. I looked at the woman walking away. Her back was bent. She looked so alone. She was my future. If I didn't go home, I would become her. Alone, broken, lost. Fresh tears came to my eyes. I stood up. My legs were shaking. I ran to the bus station. The bus ride home felt so long. I looked out the window. I thought about everything. The letters, the fight, my boyfriend who never loved me, the woman in the street, my broken dreams. What did I almost do? What did I almost lose? When I got home, my parents weren't back yet. I felt so relieved I almost fell down. I went to the bathroom. I got in a shower and I cried. I cried and cried. All the fear came out, all the pain, all the sadness. Then I heard the front door open. My parents were home. My heart jumped. I got out of the shower quickly. I dried my hair. My hands were shaking. I put on clean clothes. I walked to the living room. My legs felt weak.
Sweetie, we're home.
My mom called. She was smiling. She was holding a small bag. My dad was smiling too.
We brought you something. We know we had a bad fight. We wanted to make you happy.
She gave me the bag. It was a gift. For me. Even after I yelled at her, even after I was so cruel. My eyes filled with tears. They were thinking about me. They loved me. I ran to them. I hugged them so tight. I never wanted to let go. I cried on my mom's shoulder. "I'm sorry," I said. "I'm so, so sorry." My voice was breaking. They didn't know what I was really sorry for. They didn't know what I did. And I would never tell them. They hugged me back. My mom's hand rubbed my back. My dad kissed my head.
It's okay, sweetheart.
My mom said.
It's okay.
That night, we ate dinner together. We talked and laughed. But I couldn't stop looking at them. I almost lost them. I almost threw away the only people who truly loved me. Have you ever thought about running away when you were younger? To improve your English, subscribe to the channel and hit like to support us.